Our squirrel needs to search for books in all of Stanford University Libraries' collection. This video will explain how to search for these valuable resource types in our library catalog called Searchworks. Please see our next video explaining how to search databases to find articles. So let's begin. All the squirrel needs to do is type a keyword into the box, or you can use Searchworks Articles Plus by clicking on the link. Make sure not to type sentences or too many search terms. Also, make sure to spell correctly. Oh my! The squirrel's search for Star Wars retrieved way too many. So, let's limit the results by using the options on the left side of the screen. Using limit saves time and gives you better results. You can limit by clicking on Access to see how many of the results are online or at the library. Topic is another important field because it allows you to quickly scan the popular subject headings within your results. They are sorted so the topics with the most results are displayed at the top. These topics are helpful because they provide additional subject terms that may not be obvious. For instance, the squirrel may search for films, but the topic/subject used by the libraries is motion pictures. Now that we have successfully limited our results so that they are more relevant, let's look at the remaining results. Click on the title and you will see the call number and if it is at the library. A green check mark means it can be checked out. Don't worry if there is a red X. It just means it is not at the library. But if there's a request button, the squirrel can click the button to have it brought back to the library. The link above the call number goes to that library's website, which will give the squirrel more information about their location and their hours. Some material is in our special collections and requires you to request it. The squirrel can only use this archival material in the special collections during their limited hours. Still other items are in storage and will also have a request button. The squirrel can scroll down in the record and click on the subject terms to find more books on these topics. A really cool feature of the catalog is that you can send it to a citation tool like RefWorks. If a squirrel can do it, so can you. Now, the Stanford tree will give our squirrel a lift because you can check out as many books as you can carry. Please see our next video, Find Articles in Databases.